मित्र हो नमस्कार। ॲडव्होकेट गुरु या ऑफिशियल चॅनेलमध्ये मी ॲडव्होकेट संदीप सोनवणे सर्वांचे स्वागत करतो। मी नेहमी सायबर नॉलेज, लीगल नॉलेज, ऑनलाईन इन्फॉर्मेशन, करंट व अपडेटेड माहिती याविषयीची माहिती व्हिडिओ बनवत असतो। तुम्ही माझे चॅनलवर नवीन असल्यास सबस्क्राईब करून घ्यावे। असॉल्ट, affray and right. Assault under section 351 of Indian Penal Code 1860. Affray section 159 of IPC 1860. Right under section 146 of Indian Penal Code 1860. Number 1, meaning. Meaning of assault. Assault means making of any gesture or preparation in front of any person in present to make him feel that the offender is about to use criminal force on him. Meaning of affray. Affray means disturbance caused to public peace by two or more persons fighting in public place. Meaning of right. It is use of force or violence by an unlawful assembly in furtherance of common object. Number 2, number of persons. In assault, it may be committed by one or more person. In affray, it must be an act committed by at least two persons. In right, it must be an act committed by 5 or more persons. Number 3, common object. In assault, but no such number is fixed. In affray, there may be or may not be any common object. In right, there must be a common object as mentioned under section 141 of the Act. Number 4, offense. Against whom assault there may or may not be any common object. In affray, it is an offense against public at large. Right, it is an offense against public at large. Number 5, punishment. For assault, it is an offense any individual imprisonment for 3 months or fine of rupees 500 or both. Punishment for affray. Punishment for affray, imprisonment for month or fine of rupees 100 or both. Punishment for right, imprisonment for 2 years or fine or both. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास तुम्ही तुमचे व्हॉट्सअपचे सर्व ग्रुपवर नक्की शेअर करावे। सदर व्हिडिओ बाबत काही शंका, अडचण, चूक, दुरुस्ती अथवा सजेशन असल्यास कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये शेअर करावे ही विनंती। जय हिंद।